Welcome to the best picks. The best PS5 streaming setup is probably one of the most exciting ways to share your gaming adventures with the world. This guide will help you transform your PS5 into a streaming powerhouse, allowing you to broadcast your gameplay to platforms like Twitch or YouTube. We'll cover everything from the essential equipment to the optimal settings, ensuring your streams are both engaging and visually appealing. Number 5. FIFINE AmpliGame A6V Gaming USB Microphone. This gaming mic has earned the IF Design Award. It delivers detailed audio, making your team sound like they're right beside you. The cardioid polar pattern and high SNR ensure clear voice capture. Quickly mute the microphone with a tap to avoid any unwanted sounds. The volume control knob is conveniently located for easy adjustments. This allows you to speak at a comfortable level during your game. Experience the vibrant RGB lighting with 7 gradient colors. It enhances your gaming setup, creating an immersive atmosphere. The fixed light modes offer a personalized experience. This PS5 microphone is easy to set up and compatible with various devices and operating systems. You can quickly start chatting on Discord or stream on platforms like Twitch. The long USB cable ensures a stable connection. The podcast microphone comes with useful accessories for enhanced performance. The shock mount reduces vibrations, and the pop filter minimizes plosives. A stable tripod stand allows for optimal positioning. The package includes a shock mount, pop filter, tripod stand, USB cable, and user manual. Everything you need to get started with your streaming or recording. What we like. This microphone delivers incredibly detailed audio, making your team sound crystal clear. It also features a quick mute button, perfect for those unexpected moments. If you're looking for a microphone that combines excellent sound quality with convenient features and eye-catching RGB, you should consider this. What people say. The cardioid condenser captures clear vocals with minimal background noise, making it ideal for streaming, gaming, and podcasting. Setup is straightforward, just plug and play on PC or PS5. The simple tap to mute button was conveniently at the top of the mic and came in clutch. Number 4. FIFINE A6T White USB Microphone Kit. This white gaming microphone is incredibly easy to set up. It's plug and play, perfect for gaming, streaming, and podcasting. The USB cable is long enough to reach your computer or PS5, and the Type-C port makes it easy to plug in. The gradient RGB lights on this microphone will amaze your audience. The elegant white color and special design enhance the gaming experience, making your streams and videos more visually appealing. You can easily adjust the volume using the knob on the microphone. It also features a mute function with RGB indication, so you always know the mix status. This ensures clear communication with your team. The cardioid pickup pattern reduces background noise, ensuring clean audio. The included boom arm helps position the microphone for optimal sound capture. This setup is perfect for smooth communication in any game. The black metal boom arm complements the white USB microphone. Accessories like the pop filter and shock mount minimize unwanted noise. This kit provides everything you need for professional quality audio. Included in the box are the microphone with shock mount, pop filter, boom arm stand, USB-C to USB cable, C-clamp, and user manual. The C-clamp fits desks up to 2 inches thick. What we like. This white gaming microphone is incredibly easy to set up, just plug and play. The vivid RGB lights will surely impress your audience. If you like a clean setup with easy-to-use volume controls, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easy plug and play. Volume control on top. Very adjustable and durable. This thing functions like a professional piece of equipment. Every part has a knob to twist so you can move it around any direction with so many ways to adjust. Number 3. HD camera for PlayStation 5. This HD camera captures you in smooth, sharp Full HD with dual wide-angle lenses. It's perfect for recording or broadcasting your gaming moments. Quickly create recordings or broadcasts using the Create button on your DualSense wireless controller. An internet connection and a PlayStation Network account are required to use this feature. Get the perfect shot with the built-in adjustable stand. The compact design allows it to be positioned above or below your TV. You can easily fine-tune the angle to suit your setup. Take center stage in your productions with the background removal tools. You can add yourself to your gameplay videos while broadcasting in picture-in-picture mode. With the HD camera, you can crop the background or remove it completely using a green screen. This allows you to create professional-looking content easily. What we like. This HD camera captures you in smooth, sharp Full HD. It also has a built-in adjustable stand for the perfect shot. If you are looking to add yourself to your gameplay videos while broadcasting, you should consider this. What people say. Camera is good quality for the price point and being the only option to use with PlayStation. Plug and play setup. Plug it into a back USB port and instantly recognized and connected and was usable. The camera quality is a decent HD. As long as you have good lighting, the camera will look beautiful. Number 2. MAONO GamerWave DGM20S Gaming USB Microphone. This gaming microphone uses noise cancellation technology to eliminate background noise. It ensures your voice is captured clearly, enhancing your gaming experience and teamwork. Personalize your setup with 9 RGB lighting modes. This feature allows you to match the aesthetic of your game streams. You can easily turn the lights on or off with a simple button press. Control your audio with the mute button and gain knob. The zero latency monitoring lets you hear yourself in real time. This helps maintain professional sound quality. This USB microphone is compatible with PC, Mac, PS4, and PS5. It's ready to use when inspiration strikes. Simply plug it in with the included USB cable, and you're set to record or stream. The metal arm stand is easy to position and supports various setups. The shock mount reduces noise and vibration. The pop filter minimizes noise without blocking your screen. The package includes the USB microphone, boom arm, shock mount, pop filter, USB cables, desktop clamp, and user manual. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like. This microphone features one-click noise cancellation technology, which can effectively eliminate background noise. You can also change the color of RGB lights to match your game streaming aesthetic. If you want a microphone that is easy to set up and use, you should consider this. What people say. Being able to control the volume and noise cancellation is very nice. The plug and play is really convenient, no extra setup required every time you want to use it. The button to mute is a tap on top of the mic, which seems good so that people don't hear a click when you switch the mic off. Number 1. FIFINE SC3 Gaming Audio Mixer. This gaming audio mixer features an XLR microphone input, perfect for upgrading your audio quality. It also offers built-in 48V phantom power, expanding your microphone options. This allows you to directly use it with your condenser microphone. Take control of your audio with individual volume faders for the microphone, line-in, headphones, and line-out channels. This DJ mixer gives you precise control over your audio levels. You can configure it directly on the mixer, rather than just in your software. Easily mute audio with the front-facing mute button to prevent background noise. The monitor button provides real-time feedback, boosting your confidence. The sturdy buttons allow for easy operation during live streaming. Enhance your streams with 4 pre-recorded customizable sound effect buttons. It also includes 6 voice-changing modes and 12 auto-tune options. Adding these fun effects is a great bonus for your streaming or gaming voice. Customize your setup with the RGB button, matching different streaming themes. The lights are vibrant but not harsh, creating a great visual experience. The flowing or frozen RGB color rotation adds a strong impression to your audience. This mixer supports 2 PC settings or audio mixing, allowing you to balance music, games, and audio. It's a plug-and-play solution compatible with Mac OS and Windows. It's perfect for beginners on OBS, Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. What we like. This audio mixer has an XLR microphone input interface, which is great to up your audio quality. It also offers individual channel control for a more customized experience. If you are looking to upgrade your streaming setup with advanced audio control and fun sound effects, you should consider this. What people say. I love how easy it is to control everything with the individual volume faders and mute buttons, makes it super convenient to balance my mic, game audio, and chat on the fly. I'm using it with an XLR mic, and the built-in 48V phantom power works flawlessly. The ability to mix devices that are plugged into it. This bad boy can accept 3 different devices. XLR mic, headset, and line in. Along with a line out. So if that's what you need in a mixer, this is perfect for you, and at a good price point at around $45. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.